So in this video I'm going to show how we can integrate Fabric.js library with the HTML and draw simple shapes using in the canvas element using the Fabric.js. The first thing to do is to integrate that library into the HTML file which we are making. So to integrate that, you need the Fabric.js source file or that JavaScript source file. For that, get into the website of fabric.js.com, and at the very bottom of the page there will be a CDN address, or you can even download the entire source and use it directly into your source page. For now, for easiness, I'm going to use the CDN address. This is CDN address. I just need to copy it and then paste it inside the script, space it as the value of the source attribute of the script tag, and now it should be integrated into the HTML. And then I place the canvas element in the body section of the HTML. Okay, fine, everything is fine. And now inside the body section I'm going to place another script tag where I'm going to place a code required to initiate the Fabric.js. Now to initiate this, we can do it like this. Variable canvas is equal to new object of fabric dot canvas, and now inside this the ID of the canvas element which we have already placed, which is draw area. Paste it, copy and paste it here. Now we have initiated a canvas object. Now let's see how we can draw a simple shape in this canvas element. One of the major advantage of using Fabric.js is that Fabric treats everything which is drawn on the canvas as an individual object, so that we can alter the properties of the object, we can alter the features of the object later and redraw it, etc. So it's a very comfortable way of handling canvas. So now as a startup, let's draw a simple circle in the canvas. For that I have to create a circle object, which for now is circle is equal to new fabric dot circle. Okay, circle, and inside the parenthesis you have to provide the properties of the properties of the circle. For now I need a circle of radius having 20 pixels, so 20 comma, and I have to fill it with the green color. So there is green color, comma, and it has to be aligned left to 100 pixels left to the left, and then 100 pixels from the top. So these are the properties of this possible circle object which you have made. And now we need to place that circle object inside the canvas, and it's very easy. Choose the canvas object and then use the add method and then provide the circle as the parameter. Pass the circle object to this add method of this canvas object. Now let's see what's the output of us is. Open flash, and there you can see sample.framework. There you can see this is the output of us. We can see a green dot here, and one of the major advantages is that even though we hadn't provided any code to resize this, etc., the Fabric.js by default provides options for us to choose the object, resize it on the runtime, and even move that here and there. So that makes alteration of graphics, the canvas element on the runtime itself without the need of providing hard code. And now we can draw another shape, which is a rectangle for now. So then I have to create a rectangle object here, new fabric rectangle. Okay, now that's a rectangle object being made. It's not rectangle, it's simply rect. Okay. And inside the parentheses I have to provide the properties of the possible as I just want to align it 100 pixels to the left and 100 pixels from the top. For now let's change it for 200 pixels for a difference. Fill it with blue color for now, and then the width of the rectangle. As we know, the rectangle has two main properties: its width and height. It might have 30 pixels for now, and then the height has to be fixed to anything of your like. For now I'm just fixing it at 60. Now we have provided the rectangle with its features. Now it's simple as canvas and add the rectangle. It's very easy. Say now we have the circle and the rectangle as well. Meanwhile, there are other several shapes like ellipse, line, etc. being provided by this Fabric.js, and then you can also have several features of image edition, etc., which I can provide it in the very coming videos, or you can simply visit this website of Fabric.js.com, in which the tutorials are very simple, and it's a very efficient and very helpful, or very helpful library Fabric.js is. And this is it for now.